In this lesson, how to use Fibonacci retracements with support and resistance, the learning objectives are: you should know how to use Fibonacci retracements with support and resistance, and you should know different uses for Fibonacci retracements with support and resistance. The Fibonacci retracement tool can be perfectly combined with a number of technical analysis tools, including key support and resistance levels. If the Fibonacci retracement levels align with major support and resistance, there's a higher probability that a strong price movement will occur. This movement may be a strong breakout or a significant trend reversal. You can also combine these two tools when trading in any time frame. As a general rule, when trading the forex market, the longer the time frame you use, the more reliable the trading signals that are generated. So if you happen to be looking at a 1 hour or 4 hour chart and you saw a strong Fibonacci retracement signal, the way that you can use to confirm this signal is by using support and resistance levels to see whether the Fibonacci level is also a historical support and resistance level. You can utilize Fibonacci support and resistance levels in a number of ways. One of the more obvious benefits is to execute opening trades around these levels. Additionally, a trader can opt to place a stop loss beyond these levels so as to protect their open positions, helping you manage your current positions